Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a call to action box in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's call to action module, which lets you combine text, a button, and a background for a professional looking design. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by opening the page where you want the call to action box to appear. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, add a new section and insert a row. A single column row works best if you want the call to action to stand out. Next, click the plus icon and search for the call to action module. Add it to your row. By default, you will see a title, some placeholder text, and a button. In the Content tab, you can replace the title with your own heading, add your main message in the body text area, and customize the button text to say something like "Learn more" or "Get started." Under the link settings, make sure to add the URL where the button should take your visitors. This could be a product page, a contact form, or any other important section of your site. Now scroll down to the background options. You can choose a solid color, a gradient, or even upload an image as the background for your call to action box. Pick something that helps your text and button stand out clearly. Next, go to the Design tab to style the module. Here you can adjust the fonts, text sizes, and colors. You can also style the button separately by changing its shape, border, and hover effects. If you want your call to action to look more like a card, consider adding padding, rounded corners, or a subtle shadow. You can also use alignment settings to center everything or keep it left aligned depending on the style of your page. Divi makes it easy to create a clean and professional look without any coding. Once you are happy with the design, click the green checkmark to save the module. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and you will now see your call to action box live with your custom text, button, and background. This is a quick and effective way to guide your visitors toward the next step you want them to take, whether it is signing up, purchasing, or learning more. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.